let's see this time if I'm live, because last time we tried to do this on Premius Live app, it did not indicate that I was live. So now it says I'm live. So you telling me I have to keep logging in and out of Premius Live on Android just to get YouTube to notice that I'm live? Wow, that's just a shame, everyone. I was trying to make it a good point about why Premius Live is not very consistent sometimes. So with that said, everyone, I'm using Premius Live app right now to show you how better the app is when it comes down to picture quality. I just watched my live stream walking from Long Island City to Greenpoint here, and I noticed a bunch of locations. There was a bunch of pixelating, some moire issues going on with the quality. So to prove you guys why Premius Live app is way better for live streaming, right? I set my bitrate at 35, either 3000 or 3500, okay? I'm shooting at 1080p, 30 frames a second, not 24. So you can see how better the quality is when it comes down to details, sharpness, clarity, and I have full manual control. Exposure, cabin temperature, yes. So right now it's shooting at 30 frames per second. I'm going to see how long this lasts before it starts throttling the FPS, because we've been having issues with Premius Live on Android devices like the S21 Plus and my S22, mind you. And it seems like the Premius Live app is getting permission from YouTube, but YouTube is not giving notifications out. Now my FPS just dropped to 28, 29, 30. So we're gonna walk around again, everybody. So I'm doing a test just to show you in real time what is taking place. Now I am gonna leave a comment to say hi to everyone. Let's see, hi, and then send. Okay, I'm sending the message. You can see the comments. You should be able to see the comments. I sent 2 highs. So right now, everyone, we're gonna walk all the way to Williamsburg, come back. There's no food at community refrigerator. I just checked right before this live stream. Yeah, so I did a live stream before this on Premius Live. It didn't go live. I am going to upload that video. Good to show you that YouTube is not actually giving permissions to these third-party apps. But as you can see, the quality is way much better than using Premius Live. If you guys can verify that in the comments below right now. How's the quality this time? Isn't it like, mind you, I don't have much battery left. I got 34% battery. I should have charged this phone before I did this video, but I just want to walk around and prove a point right now why the quality on this phone, on this app, is much better. Now there is a lag on my phone because, like I said, Samsung is doing some type of updates and trying to throttle the phone's capability. Sarah says it's cool, thanks. So Michael Collins just gave a $20 donation to the Cash App. Thank you. That we're gonna get me some burritos. But before we do that, I want to show you why the Premius Live app is a way better app for YouTube. And I think YouTube should literally listen to the developers on Premius Live. I want to show you in real time how sharp and colorful and detailed. Now I'm using the 1x lens and not the wide angle. I just don't like the wide angle on the S21 Plus because it just seems a little bit soft. Now I get a transmission interruption. They're saying that the network is pretty weak. So this is why I like this app. This app tells you if your cell phone service is not adequate and it's going through a weak spot. See, it tells you. This is why I like this app. So you know where the weak points in your live streams are. This is Berry Street. Nassau turns into Berry Street. Just keep in mind. We're just doing this test to prove you guys why the Premius Live app is such a better app. Look how Sarah says it's cool, she says. Okay, I accept that. My bit rate is at 35, so keep that in mind. 3500 is my bit rate. And I am understopped by 0.2, so I'm not much. I am using a CPL, and I'm using a splash filter to cover that CPL, so the CPL doesn't get any lint. Alright everybody, so this is just a previous live test that I want to show you in real time, so you guys can see the difference between the YouTube app and the Primus Live app. Which one is better when it comes down to live streaming and good quality? Some of you may say Primus Live looks way better. And plus, this videos are for you, so you know that someone is helping you if you want to do a live stream. And you may have a question and say, hey, what's the best apps for live streaming other than YouTube app? He's like, oh, well, Dependent Photographer recommend the Primus Live app. Works for Android and Apple, but it works so perfectly for Apple though. It works so flawlessly for Apple. And it gets more, mind you, iOS members or users get more features than Android. Yeah, true. We have proven that in a video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. This is a low light test too. You should see. If you see any micro bumps, that's probably me with the gimbal. I just want to prove to everyone how more easier with this app it functions. I'm surprised it's steady at 30 FPS right now. Normally it just would bottleneck and lag all the time. Alright, I'm at 30% battery, and I can see my battery indicator, I can see my mic levels. So much better than the YouTube app. So much better. So what do you guys think? I know Sarah already commented, but I see 6 more people. Come on. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Just tell me. There's no more June shine here. They took it out. Community was like, no, we don't want you here. So everyone, I'm on North 8th and Berry Street here in Williamsburg. And I am testing Primus Live app on that old Samsung S21 Plus that's supposed to have 5G Plus network and all these other features, but recently in the last couple of months, well, it was 8 months ever since we unlocked the phone, it worked at the beginning, and then we had seen some throttling issues during, its use. So, and that's because Samsung has been pushing out these updates, probably throttling, speed and performance on these phones, and causing third-party apps to do weird stuff like drop FPS when it's set at 30 FPS. With your lights, friend. Lights, lights, lights. Look, just to prove everyone, I even got a light. Look, I got a video light. Where's your light? All right, everybody. So this is, like I said, this is what's only supposed to be meant for a test. But you can add this as a walk, I guess. But, oh, transmission is unstable due to weak connection. See, I like how the Primus Live notifies me when I'm in a very weak cell phone location spot. That's important. YouTube app doesn't do that. Oh, it's laggy now. Very laggy. Yeah, it's very laggy. See? This is what I'm talking about, the lag issue. Sometimes the phone will lag and cause the live stream to lag. What the? Okay, got a happy hour. All right, everybody. So as I said, this was just a test to make sure that if this Primus Live is actually working correctly. We do still see some lagging issues with this phone. This is why we gotta try to get my old phone back, my old iPhone back somehow. So please do like, subscribe, like, and share. This is just a tech review on app called the Primus, mind you, Primus Studio app it's actually called. And here is the Starbucks that closed down. So now all the homeless people are going to try to find another Starbucks to sleep in. So yeah, they closed the Starbucks down because there was too much crime, too much theft. Kids were doing things in the bathroom that was very unorthodox. Right? Kids were not going to school. They were just hanging out here. So they closed down the Starbucks. And a lot of homeless problems and yeah. Oh, that smells so good right now. You smell that? It smells like success of good food, friend. All right, we made it to Bedford Avenue, North 7th. Let me go see what's up to my boys. The Yemen boys. What's up, brother? Cheers, everybody. Welcome to Yeah, this is my spot, everybody. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. This is my spot right here. The deli boys. 183. Right here, everybody. Yo, you gotta try their sandwiches. Oh, my panda. Gotta try the sandwiches. Yeah. Gotta say what's up to, you know, gotta respect the neighbors, man. Like, everyone knows me around here. Like, oh, it's Panda, it's the camera guy.
Yeah, but it's all me, like because I'm a freelancer. Oh, so good. Wow.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Tonight, please. No drums tonight, please.
Last year.
All right, everybody. So there's the premium coffee, organic coffee shop. There's Sweet Chick right here. You guys know this place already. But I'm just testing this Premium Live. Make sure it's still shooting 30 FPS. If you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. You see how there's no interruptions when using Premium Live app than the YouTube app? This is why the YouTube app needs to be fixed, not adapted. They need to take the adapt settings off and just leave it fixed and give us videographers and loggers full settings to control bitrate, FPS, like, value, mind you, exposure values, Kelvin temperature. Yes, all of that is important for our live stream. So with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. I got 24% battery left, so I'm gonna have to end the live stream. I'm sorry, I have to end it though, but I'll talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.